Hey, and welcome to this live stream. So today I don't have a like I could um, I don't have a lot of stuff to do in as programming, but I would just go and have some. I will open some issues in. Let me share the screen. So I will show how I open some issues in. I think it will be an open source app repository. At the same time, I will have an issue opened in refined GitHub repo, and I will just have like some non-coding contribution today. So I feel like this will be the basic stuff that I'm going to do today, and hopefully you will enjoy the stream. So while we are working together. So here I am in the open source repo. Just wait, it's not this one. I'm just zooming in my screen. Yeah, so here we have this. There is another issue opened yesterday by Ayo. Okay, that's cool. Cannot go back to previous graph and okay. So here they are just having conversation on how to get this back. So she just assigned herself. Okay. So to start with, so I will go on how to open an issue. So before, basically the issue that you could open is, as I talked before, you could find them through uh, using a project, or even why do I have this up here? Just give me a second. So you could find an issue in a project by using it, by checking the code, or by contributing to the code there. So one of the issues that I could open here, which is like when yesterday I was doing working on this issue for redirecting, which it shows you a weird uh, naming and weird URL that it showed for the page that you are going to, which is not correct. I saw some couple of stuff that we could improve. So we could open an issue for this stuff and work on that. Or we will not work on it, but we will just open an issue to wait the core team to triage that and see how stuff will go. Or I'm actually in the triage team, so I could just triage that. No, I don't like to triage my own issues, so yeah. Okay. So to start with, I will go on the tool selector showing an empty page. If not, we were selected code case dashboard. Yeah, so here if there is no tool, like if you didn't select any of those, it will just like go with nothing. Just give me a second. So what will be the default if I just went to Python? And okay, you're on browser. Did the app just get broken? Python reports internal server. Okay, then we could go to filter, selected filter. Page not found. Let me see. Let's go to this one. AI dashboard, whatever. So let's go to JavaScript. Selected filter top 100. and the tool name is dashboard. So here, if we click, let's say test, this will show test. Yeah, and that would happen. We will understand that if it's in the hmm, if this issue were solved. So here, um, let's go to dashboard, JavaScript, select a filter. I think I could open an issue based on that, like for um open source app. Does it try to find a username? Open source Pizza Hub Insight. Highlight user. Here we have the user here, and we have tab as highlight. Huh. I think we could, since we are having this JavaScript dashboard filter recent whatever, we could um let's go to this. Here we have. I think yeah, I could open this, but like after solving the issue here, working on that would be much easier. Let me add one extra thing. Yeah, right now it will be broken. If I click if I write test, it will show me test here, which is related to this one. Hmm. And if I go with um okay, so the first thing first, let's go to the PR here, which yesterday I didn't I think I didn't record my screen for this one. Yeah, so I need to add screenshots. To do that, I usually use Streamlabs, or you could use like whatever screen recorder you have, but like I feel Streamlabs is easier for me right now. And to show the issue, right now I'm just waiting the Streamlabs to open. It's opened. I could go to this link here and I could start share. I'm clicking on recording my screen. It's recording this, so I will just click on this link here. Here we have that. And here we could show this tool name and the URL. And right now I could just stop recording and I would need to go and record my. I could do this in the last live stream yesterday. Yeah, I think I should do this stuff in the live stream. And the other thing that I need to do is, let me see. So this is the fixed one, and here we could have npm run dev. Npm run dev. So we'll run the development environment and see how things will go for that. And let me open this one here. Here we have the development is working. Let's go get this up. And the other thing I need to do is to go to this page here we get this link and have it here, but instead of going to this, I need to copy this, have it here, but I need to wait for the compiling to finish. Let's whatever, let's have it here. Compiling page ID filter, selected filter, client and server. Okay, so we should wait for a few seconds for this one. While we are waiting, another thing I could work on is the docs repo. I think I have a PR there or an issue there that I should work on it, but like I get distracted. Docs. Hmm. Why it's not compiling? Is it related to having extra resources as allocated to this one? Let me close this. And let me see. I don't have other things open right now, so we could just wait for this. Okay, we are waiting. The other thing is for the docs. Yeah, I think I will do this later. So something that easier that I could do right now could be going to GitHub. I need to close this page and I don't need this one. Neither this. Broken URL when you are okay. I don't need this. I don't need docs. So let's keep this one only. And I would like to go to GitHub, refine GitHub, and check the issue that I have faced previously. Why we are waiting this one here. Hmm. So for refine GitHub to show what I was hoping to see is that I would like to see this kind of editor going down with that um, with the stuff that you are having here. So we have tools here, but like this tool is keeping it up. But like if you go down the issue itself, or if you go through, if you open like a PR, let me go to this PR, you might have a very long PR like this one here, but like the tools that you are having up will stay up, and it would be great to have them here so I could just like click on some of the buttons instead of going up and clicking on them. So here we have this AI stuff. AI, it is okay, so it's working. And yeah, so I could just record this so to finish this, all what I have in this task. I'm opening Streamlabs, waiting Streamlabs to run. I think it's OBS Streamlabs rather than Streamlabs, so yeah. It's built on top of an open source project. So here I'm having the recording. So I have the link here. I will just copy it, paste it again. Or just like for sanity check, I will open a new tab. We'll have it in a new tab here. Here we have the open source insights. And we could wait a few minutes or a few seconds. Let's see. Dun. Compiled successful and okay. So this shouldn't take too much. So it's done. Yeah, so here we have the stuff, this AI, the information, and whatever here. So we could just close this recording. So to go to this issue, I could, so I need to add table. And for that table, I will have 2 columns, 2 rows. I could have the header, whatever. Okay, I could remove this one. So here before, here after, and right now I need to find the. Go to this area. I'm just like hiding my screen. I'm going to find the videos that was recorded, and while going to find, let me see which one. So here 25. Okay. So right now I just found the videos. I could share my screen again. They are on this here. So I think I could I do like multiply videos at the same time? So I could just, where is it? This one here, and uploading the first one, which is like 25, 11, 23, 27, which is like the last one. This is should be after. Yeah, so this is after. Wait. And this is before. Here. Yes, let me see. Okay, so I didn't render it. Should it be in a new line to render that? Okay, could I do this in... Okay, so I will not do this in table. I don't know how to do that right now. But let me see. Add videos to table. GitHub Markdown. Is there a way to wrap GitHub README video in the link? How to embed video into GitHub README now? How to add embedded video to Markdown? Organization. Trying. No, that's not what I want. Okay, I will just give them like before, after. Here we could go for preview to double check. This is the before. I am clicking on this link, showing the URL and showing the page, which is broken. Okay, that's great. For the after, I should have. I think I should have like cut some part of that so to have a cleaner view. So here it is. Okay. Oh, I could just go back. Just add a note. The page needed. You could jump to 50 second. To see the rendering. Okay, so I could just update this comment. Here I have everything done for anyone to review. So here they could see the previous stuff and how it's broken. Here what's expected. And I think we have everything done for this issue. Yeah, I will keep that open right now. So, and for this, what I would like to see is to have those kind of tools, which is called, um, what do they call them? Action bar. So it's tab if so this is the box comment and this position is static. I think wait, yeah. And what position do we have for this one here? Which is top 0 position fixed. So I think like having a fixed position when you get down this would be great. And I think GitHub has done something similar to Five channel, but like, will I be able to see it here? Yeah. So they have this, let's say the name of the file here. When you go down, it will show it with you. And I would expect something similar to that. Edit and action bar. Is it like action bar? Yeah. So and with the action bar stuff here, um, or toolbar. And this could be a cool stuff to be done through. Um, Let me just go divide this to position fixed and have it as important. Yeah, so this is what I would expect to have it down, but like with a better, hmm, yeah, so you need to work around a little bit for this with some kind of, um, let's go top, have it 0 pixel, or let's say 10, doesn't appear, 211. Okay, so this is what I would like to see. Here, let's see if we have anything related to toolbar. Keep the action bar sticky. Notification page. Add missing suggestion button to edit review comment from. Welcome refine GitHub. Setup. See what is this. In the notification page. An action toolbar is present when selecting list one notification. The notification bar disappear with a scroll. Once you selected every notification that you want to resolve, you need to scroll on top page to click on done. This proposal suggests to keep the action bar sticky on the top of page once you start scrolling. A tab to show the problem and tab with CSS POC that show the expected behavior. Here, and this is not sure. Okay, I think I could. And here they show the expected behavior. Then we could see that Julian, let me see, example URL, screenshot Julian, added enhancement under discussion, help wanted, Frederick removed under discussion. Julian opened a pull request in April 7th, so this is like almost more than 5 weeks, months ago. Here, Julian. The PR had unresolved reviews and its CI was failing for months. Oh, okay, so they have it since April, but like they talked about this 4 days ago, which is interesting. Okay, the PR. Oh, okay, I saw you did reopen it. I'm looking at it right now. We see closes this test URL screenshot. Hmm. This is the before. Yeah, this is the before, and here is the after. Then we have, let me see if anything happened 4 days ago, yesterday. I did update the CSS to handle two use cases and uploaded the following GIF. I tested on Chrome and Firefox with has selector enabled. It looks okay on for both. Okay. Uh, okay, this behavior is much better than the one they had, which was having this toolbar location changed. Let me see. Yeah, here so they disconnected it. And here, let me see yesterday if it works correctly. Is it Julian? Julian. I think this is their first. Wait, I think it's written here. Open this pull request. Their first in refined GitHub. Yeah, so this is the first pull request they are having here. So let's go back. Keep the action bars sticky. Add missing suggestion button to edit review. Welcome to refined GitHub. Set up auto publishing for Safari version. Do we have action bar here? Another thing for that. Keep the action bar its notification page. Set up React page view don't correctly update features. Add keyboard shortcut to open all notifications. Okay, I will go with this. I will see if I could open. Report suggest an improvement for a new feature. Get started. So here is the title. Hmm. Description. Okay, how could I do a great example URL? I don't need to close this one, so I could go and not for request. I will just get the URL for that. Hmm. Pull request. New pull request. That's better. Compare across forks. This I need my fork, and I need to go with fix URL issue. And here we have a progress already. Let's see if I could see something else. Feed add card item. Create pull request. So let me go with create. Okay, so this one. Here, yeah, so here is what I have. Okay, this could be example URL. And here I could go with the same logic as description. In the notification page, an action toolbar is present when selecting at least one notification. PR, there is toolbar and action bar present for editing and using extra tools. Let me take a picture of that. And here it is. Alright, preview. So I have that. This action bar disappear with the scroll for long PRs. Once you select every PR you want to, I don't need that. This proposal suggests to keep the action bar sticky on the top of the page once you start scrolling. And here we could say rated or similar to this one. Keeping this. So here I could show what I want through Streamlabs again. So Streamlabs record. Here's I'm recording what I have. I would like to have this one here. Just finish. And a great example for what I would like to have is let me just go with this one. Example video for the issue. And I need to close this again, find the video and upload it. Let me go here, up here, opening the videos, find the latest video that I have, get it here. Where this one is it? Add the video, go for preview, double check that I did the correct video. Here, yeah, so we don't see the stuff here. And here we need to have this action bar. Okay. I think this is okay. We'll submit this. Okay, so we could name this pull request feature, pull requests, enable sticky bar, enable sticky action bar for long pull requests. Okay, submit new issue. Here. Yeah, so we have everything for this one. I think I could just go to this position instead of having it as static. Let's keep it without anything. Doesn't work, so I think we could have position sticky. Now let me see what do we have in. We find GitHub. It's on pull requests. Let's see a pull request with multiple files. Change it. New feature. File change it. Let's go to this one. Here, yeah, so I would expect something similar to this. Let's see what do they have here. And or here. What is sticking here? So we have a 16. This stuff here. So 5 clicks minimum width. No. So this one is it. So they have a sticky file header. JavaScript position sticky stack it. Let's see. I would just add something here, which one is this? Okay, I don't need to edit this one. Cancel. Under discussion. GitHub has something similar for files. They use the next CSS classes for the files header. You see the naming of the classes here. This one. And the other thing that I think we could do is commenting this one here. Let's see if I go and add this totally random stuff to this class here, which is that called, yeah, action bar. If we wait, if we add this to remove this, have it 0, add this stuff, whatever. It doesn't do what I want. Let's see. They have JavaScript position. So the sticky does this work, but it doesn't. Yeah, so okay, this needs further investigation. I will do this later. So we have that, we have this. And the other thing I could do right now is notification. I don't need that. I don't need any more. We did this. I don't think I need that. I don't need this anymore. And here we could do create a free R. I don't need this anymore. What I need to do right now is to check my extensions because I have a PR related to the extension docs, but like open source, this is closed, this is open. Okay, so what I want to have is the LinkedIn feature for open source extension, which is, where did we have that LinkedIn feature? It should be in the repo page, and I should do some stuff there. First thing first, let's get logged in. We logged in. Then let's see this. We are logged in. Okay, so here we have add to LinkedIn project. And if you click on this one, it will have in me edit forms project new. And we'll add the information of that project. And what we need to do for this one is, let me see. We needed to have I will go to Streamlabs again. I will record my screen fully. We'll have the full screen. And go to this. Add to LinkedIn projects. And have this here and here. Then we stop recording. And then we need to go to open source docs. Have this here. LinkedIn. And I need to find the video, so just like hide this, go again, get the videos that I want, which is this one. And don't be like me in, wait, I will go here. Don't be like me in this, since I opened it in June and didn't work on it till November. At the same time, they were asking me about that, which is like Christine asking me about what I'm doing, and all I'm saying is just like, yeah, I will do that. So here we have this. Explain the post to LinkedIn. The post LinkedIn feature is missing in the docs. Write the docs, add feature development suggestions. Oh, okay. Why I was thinking about something different. As for this issue, I wasn't thinking about having that like LinkedIn feature in the docs, but rather than having a GIF for that, which is something that I forgot about. This is what happens when you forget the issue and don't read it again. Okay, so here is explanation that could be used for docs. And let's go with this comment here. I think I'm not sure. Right, wait, let's go with this one. Have a line between this stuff. Here we could, yeah. So right now, what I need to do is to go to docs, go to my fork, update this fork, sync fork, update the branch to have everything up to date with the stuff. And then I need to go and create a new page. Let's call it LinkedIn extension. Um, Not sure if it's the best naming, but like we could go and move forward. And then here we could go to C. We have the docs, we have features, open source. And let's go to C features. Dev card highlight list connections. This happened. Okay, so the insights and list update was updated last week. That's cool. Let me see. Add maintainers guide section. Okay, so they added the maintainer guide. Let's get back. Docs, tools, open source, tools. I think it should be in tools, Chrome extension, code explanation, highlight, introduction to Chrome extension, PR description, refactoring and testing, reviewing insight and stuff, HUD, PWCLI introduction. How does this look like? Feature highlights. Okay, this is interesting. Highlights, updated, insights, updated, dev card, list, connections. Hmm. Let's go to tools, how to open source, Pizza, Chrome extension usage. Introduction to Chrome extension. The open source Chrome extension seamlessly integrated GitHub to open source platform. Installing extension. Okay. Using the extension code explanation. Uh, we have this PR description. Highlight. Okay, so I think I worked on this feature. Refactoring and testing. Refactor code. Um, insights and invitations. Okay, so we need to have a new page for this one. So since they are going with pages style. Code explanation. Let's go to check which one we could go to see the highlights. Let's go to see the code. Let's click on edit this one. I will not edit this. Copy this, go here, add file, create a new file, LinkedIn feature.md, ID LinkedIn, title LinkedIn connection, sidebar, label LinkedIn integration. Let's say I'm not sure if integration is the best, but we could go with integration. Then we could update that keywords. LinkedIn posting, LinkedIn project. And what I need to do here is to go back again to this here and this one. Let's go to open source AI. It should be docs issues. This one here add foster LinkedIn. I need this URL. Does it render it if it is not a p? Not sure if this would work, but we could open PR and check that. Or I could just have this added. You can, let's go and remove this one. You can add a project repo. You can add a repo to LinkedIn as a project through the extension. The extension will get the name of the project and description filled automatically for you. Okay, so I was waiting how many days? So I was thinking for waiting. June 23 till November. So it's 5 months to write this line of text. Okay, whatever. Why didn't I do that before? Okay, I feel bad right now. Sure, add LinkedIn feature to Chrome extension. What I need to do is to build the docs locally. So to do that, I need to go to Visual Studio Code. Open folder. Inside docs. Here we have it. What did I change here before? I don't remember why I did this, but like, yeah. So I could just ignore that. Discord changes. Sync changes. Go to the other branch, which we called it something added to LinkedIn. Sure, add post to highlight. Add post LinkedIn. Why did it need to get that branch? It's called LinkedIn extension. I'm not sure why I didn't do that. Let me see. So here we have it. Check out this branch. And this one here. So this is the release. Why do we have this odd? Let's come to that include. Okay, whatever. So what I need to do is, let's see the README built for experimenting. And community development, npm CI, npm start. We had different stuff for this before, but let's go. PMCI. You need to wait through this stuff to download. I will take a few minutes break while this is downloading. So let me Hey, I'm back. So let's see, did this finish? It should be okay. npm start. So this is starting. Update available for what? For npm doc source. And here we have the local host. And let's see. Let me just like while we are waiting for this one here. Docker source add video, including a video file in Markdown. This is what I want, which is install React Player. You need to install React Player to create a file with MJX extension and add the video. Huh. Don't they have something similar to compiled problem? What is this? Tailwind. Okay, if we close that, error in this model. And I didn't do anything there. Is it related to? Let me see. Is it related to the file that I added? I don't think so. Does it have let's go to docs, tools, com extension, what? LinkedIn. Let's just remove this one here. It does have the same error. Let's go back to origin head. Let's go back to main. Let's go to this one. It's here. Discard changes. Let's go to this one. Choose another branch. Check out the existing branch and pull request. Okay, so it's not building. Cannot read properties of undefined reading config. I didn't expect that. Okay, so what I could do is kind of opening a pull request right now because I need to go chore adding an feature to Chrome extension. This PR add the explanation of LinkedIn feature to docs. It's chore release, it's documentation update. I think something called this. A note, it's very note. I couldn't run this locally. There was few errors in the project that needs to be solved. I hope that it's not. Yeah, so I didn't. Let's create a pull request and see how this would And I think we have here something related to um, there was something that could have, yeah, so you have the Netley file, but you need someone to approve that, and then we could check this on, like it will get broken as well, I think. So we could check that later. And yeah, and I think I could call it a day. Wait, I could call it a day. And I hope that you enjoyed today and hopefully we see you in another stream. Ah, and this is like the first stream that have 1 hour. That's exactly 1 hour, which is something cool.